If you've forgotten your Apple ID password, don't worry. Today I'm going to walk you through 3 easy ways to recover or reset your Apple ID iCloud password. So let's jump right in. The first method is to reset your password through the Apple ID website. Here's how. Go to the Apple ID account page at appleid.apple.com. Here you can click on forget ID or password when you try to sign in, like this. And if you have your Apple ID installed, you can simply click on reset my password over here. Another great app option is to use the Apple Support app if you have access to another Apple device. Here's what you can do. Download the Apple Support app from the App Store. Here you can download it and tap on Get Support and select Apple ID, then forget Apple ID password. From there, follow the prompts to reset your password. You can choose to receive a verification code via text or email. Finally, if you have access to your iPhone or iPad, you can reset your password directly from your device. Here's how. Open Settings, tap on your name at the top and select Password and Security. Here you can tap on Change Password. Now you may need to enter your device's passcode first, then follow the prompts to set a new Apple ID password. And there you have it, 3 simple ways to recover or reset your Apple ID iCloud password.